To hide or block your number when calling on Android, follow these simple steps. First, go to your phone's settings menu. This can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down and select the call settings or phone settings option. The exact name may vary depending on your device model. Next, look for the additional settings or advanced settings option and select it. In this menu, you should see a caller ID option. Select this to proceed. You will now see three options: Network Default, Hide Number, and Show Number. To hide your number, select the Hide Number option. Alternatively, you can also use a code to hide your number when making a call. To do this, dial the code 67 followed by the number you want to call. For example, if you want to call 12345678890, you would dial 671234567890. This will hide your number for that specific call. It is essential to note that hiding your number may not work in all situations, such as when calling emergency services or toll-free numbers. Additionally, some carriers may not support this feature, so it is best to check with your carrier to see if it is available. Best practices for hiding your number include only using this feature when necessary, as it can be seen as suspicious or intrusive to the person being called. It is also crucial to be aware of the laws and regulations in your area regarding caller ID and number blocking. In conclusion, hiding or blocking your number when calling on Android is a straightforward process that can be done through your phone's settings menu or by using a code. By following these steps and being mindful of the best practices, you can easily hide your number and maintain your privacy when making calls.